Madeira, a Portuguese archipelago located in the Atlantic Ocean, is a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Known as the Pearl of the Atlantic, Madeira Island is the main island of this autonomous region. Tourists and travel enthusiasts can now experience Madeira like never before through drone videos and photographs. These visuals provide a bird's-eye view of the island's picturesque coastline, charming villages, and vibrant botanical gardens. The landscape of Madeira is truly breathtaking, with its dramatic cliffs, lush green valleys, and stunning mountain peaks. The island's volcanic origins have shaped its rugged terrain, creating a diverse range of landscapes to explore. From picturesque coastal villages to enchanting forests and cascading waterfalls, Madeira offers something for every nature lover. Tourism plays a significant role in Madeira's economy, and it's not hard to see why. The island boasts a mild year-round climate, making it an ideal destination for those seeking sunshine and outdoor activities. Hiking enthusiasts can embark on numerous trails that wind through the island's stunning landscapes, offering panoramic views along the way. In addition to its natural beauty, Madeira also has a rich cultural heritage waiting to be discovered.